How to delete Google Forms responses. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to delete a response on your Google Forms. And to do this, simply look over here on the top. Look for the section that mentions responses. Select this option. And over here, this is where you will be able to see, of course, the summary and the question and all of those different information about your responses. Simply select the individual and navigate to the version or to the answer or response that you want to delete. For example, this response over here, I would like to remove this from our Google Forms. So simply click on the delete response icon over here. Click on yes, and you will be able to successfully delete the response. And as you can see, there's only one response now. Previously, it was two, as you can see here. The graph also removed it, and the other sections removed that as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.